Welcome to Echo Speak English. Are you ready to have your first real conversation in English? You know, it's something you're going to do all the time. Today, we're going to make it feel super simple and totally natural. All right, let's just dive right in. We're going to put together a short, totally perfect conversation, just step by step. And by the end of this, you'll have all the confidence you need to go out there and introduce yourself to absolutely anyone. It's a real feeling, isn't it? Your heart starts beating a little faster, and you're just worried that you're not going to find the right words. Believe me, I've been there. It can be kind of scary. But here's the thing. You are definitely not alone in feeling that way. Seriously, every single person who's learning a new language gets that feeling. So today, we're going to give you a simple script to follow that will make it so much easier. So first, let's just listen to what a successful first greeting actually sounds like. I'll be speaker B, the person who's welcoming someone new.
And I'll be speaker A, the new person. Let's listen to the whole thing once, just at a natural pace.
Hi, my name is Sam. Hello, Sam. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. See, that was short, simple, and really friendly. Now let's break that down piece by piece. We're going to look at each sentence to really understand why it works so well. And we're going to get you to practice saying them so the words start to feel like they're your own. Okay, so I kicked off the conversation. Look how simple this is. Hi, my name is Sam. It's friendly, it's welcoming, and it gives the most important piece of information right away. My name. Let's zoom in on that key phrase, my name is. This is really the classic, polite way to introduce yourself. It's a little more formal than just jumping in with, I'm Sam, which honestly makes it a perfect and respectful choice for when you're meeting someone for the first time. Now it's your turn. You know, the best way to learn this stuff is by actually doing it. So right now, say that phrase with your own name. Come on. My name is. Say it again. Getting your mouth used to making the sounds, that's the real first step to feeling confident. So, how did I respond? Hello, Sam. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Notice a few things going on here. I used his name, Sam, which is always a friendly touch. Then I gave my name using the slightly more casual, I'm Alex. And then I added that wonderful little phrase at the end. Nice to meet you. Ah, this is such a warm and, frankly, essential phrase. But here's the key. You only use it the very first time you meet someone. It's not for people you already know. It instantly shows that you're happy about this new connection and just makes the other person feel really good. Okay, practice time again. Let's say this one out loud together. Ready? Nice to meet you. Really feel how the words just flow together. Say it a few more times. This repetition, that's the real secret to sounding natural. And the conversation wraps up with my response. It's basically a simple echo of what Alex said, but I add one very important little word at the end to complete the whole exchange. Nice to meet you too. Let's look at that final word, too. All it means is also. So when Sam says, nice to meet you too, what he's really saying is, I am also happy to meet you. It's such a small word, but it reflects that positive feeling right back and kind of completes this friendly circle. All right, let's do our final practice for this dialogue. Say it out loud with me. Nice to meet you too. And again, nice to meet you too. Excellent. You've just practiced a full successful conversation from beginning to end. So, let's do a quick recap of what we just did. We didn't just read a dialogue. No, we heard it, we broke it down into pieces, and most importantly, we actually spoke it. And that right there is the secret sauce. Practicing out loud is how you really make these phrases your own. It literally moves the words from your brain to your mouth so they feel natural and just roll off the tongue when you're in a real conversation. And this gives us a simple, really powerful learning method that you can use for anything in English. First, you listen to the phrase, just like you did with our dialogue. Second, you understand the meaning, just like we did when we explained each part. And finally, you repeat it out loud. Listen, understand, repeat. It's a method that just plain works. So here it is, your toolkit for meeting someone new. With just these 4 phrases, you have everything, and I mean everything you need for a successful introduction. You are totally prepared. We've listened, we've understood, and we've practiced. The only thing left now is for you to actually put this into action. The main takeaway here is this. You are ready. You have the words, you know exactly what they mean, and you've even practiced saying them. This isn't just a lesson anymore. It's your own personal script for success. And that brings us to the final and most important question. This isn't just some random thought exercise. No, think about it right now. Who is going to be the first person you have this conversation with? A new person in your class? A neighbor? Maybe someone at a coffee shop? Go on, decide now. You did a fantastic job today. To keep building your confidence with more simple, effective explainers just like this one, make sure you subscribe to Echo Speak English. We'll see you next time.